Hi my friends, you are not a caterpillar. Yes, you are not a caterpillar. You may be surprised, why do I say this? There is an important lesson we can learn from the life of a caterpillar becoming a butterfly. There is a change taking place. There is a progress. I recall a quotation of George Bernard Shaw. Progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their minds cannot change anything. For our growth, two things are required: change and progress. Just because we don't want change, it does not mean change is not going to take place. Change is a natural process. But progress is not a natural process. In the nature of things, things are always changing. In fact, people used to say, the only thing which does not change is the change itself. But progress is a result of a self-corrected, self-disciplined, self-determined, self-audited, self-monitored, self-initiated, self-motivated effort. If you are not participating in progress, we cannot progress. Now let me go back to the caterpillar and butterfly. What happens in a caterpillar? It remains in the cocoon. The nature takes care of its growth into butterfly. If you see caterpillar and butterfly, there are two different forms of the same life. Nobody likes a caterpillar. If a caterpillar is thrown on us, we don't feel happy. But if a butterfly comes and sits on us, we feel excited. But there are two different things of the same species. Their lifestyle is different, their movement is different, their eating habits are different. But the caterpillar need not involve in the progress. But human beings are not like that. In order to transform, we have to change inside. That change is not natural. That's why Bernard Shaw says, progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their mind cannot change anything. This is a very, very important quotation. If we remain satisfied, you mean to say status quo is possible? There is no such thing as status quo. Either you are growing or you are deteriorating. So decide, where are you now, where you want to be, and what strategy have you got. If you believe in this simple, common sense, natural law of nature, progress is possible. So decide to change for better.